Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable Touch ID on the Heinemann application so that when you open the application you will be required to use your Touch ID. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should tap on the More button down below in the right side corner of the screen. Then tap on Settings. Click on Touch ID. So as you can see, anyone who links a Touch ID fingerprint on this device can use this device to log into your Heinemann account. So tap on this button on the right side and basically that's it. The Touch ID has been enabled. So each time you open the application, you will be required to use the Touch ID. So whenever you would like to disable it, just come back to this section and tap on the same button so it will be turned off. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.